Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be showing you how to create a tortoise shell inspired nail design, which is one of the most popular nail art designs for this fall. Now, you've probably seen this design all over Instagram lately, but generally it's done with gel polishes. However, in this video, Becca will be showing you how to easily get this look at home just by using regular nail polish.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. After applying a base coat to protect your natural nails, you want to apply one coat of a sheer yellow polish to all of your nails. If you have a sheer caramel color, that would work even better, but this is what I have, so that's what I'm going to be using. Next, you'll want to take a little bit of brown polish and mix it with a drop of top coat or clear polish to make it a little bit sheer. Try to mix the polishes together really gently to try to avoid creating any air bubbles in the polish. Make a couple of blobs on your nail with the sheer brown polish and then darken the centers a little with a little bit of the pure brown color. I tried a bunch of different techniques to make tortoiseshell nails with regular polish before finally settling on this one. The reason I liked this one the best was that making the polishes a little bit sheer seemed to be the best way to mimic that kind of smoky effect that you can get with gel polishes. Once the brown polish is dry, apply a layer of top coat to the nail. This will help to create depth and separation between the different layers. Once the nail is dry, take a drop of a reddish brown polish and mix it with a bit of top coat. Add some more blobs to your nail with the thinned out red polish. I found that it works best to have the red kind of overlapping the brown, but not staying completely on top of it. Darken the centers of the blobs with the pure red polish. Once the red is dried, add a coat of the sheer yellow polish. If you want to keep the colors more pure, you can also just use a top coat for this step. Once the nail is dry, use the brush from a polish bottle to make some smaller black blobs all over the nail. If you don't want to wait for all of the layers of polish to dry, you could also just make the brown, red, and black blobs on the same layer and then top coat everything at the end. I personally just like how the added layers give a sense of dimension to the design. Add one more coat of sheer yellow polish over top of your design, and then once that's dry, finish off with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know what you think about this design in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.